Christopher, and I got my son Nathan right here. And this is my dad right here. So thank you for tuning into our channel.
And I hope you enjoy this video.
Alright, let's get to it.
Okay, I'm going to put the push rod checker in so we can make sure that when we order the push rods, they'll be right. We're going to do the intake first.
And the preload is 0.035. And Christopher will be Grandpa's sidekick today.
Hooray!
Right on.
Right on, Dad.
Okay, right on, Christopher. Okay, hand me that. Thank you.
So we're doing the intake side first, and then after the intake side we'll do the exhaust side.
Yeah, you don't have to torque this down to check them.
That is good to know. Look. Hey Christopher, come here. Over here. And turn this way. Come on. Turn it. Turn it where you can't turn it no more.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. You're not here? Thank you, Chris, for helping.
You're welcome.
Sorry about that.
Okay, I got it in there.
So, what are you doing? So,
Getting the Hear this?
Yeah, the lashing sound.
This tells me that I'm real close to what it is. So I got it set. You can move it, the push rod, a little bit, just enough. It takes a lot of practice to get the sound you want.
As long as there's not enough, as long as there's no more play here.
A lot of play.
Makes
Could be a little
But you don't want a lot of play.
right. And you don't want to collapse the lifters. See, I can move it a little bit. See?
Well, your fingers are in the way. What, this?
Yeah. See, I can.
Yeah. But you don't want this having any lashes at all.
Right. So we're already set. Now what I got to do is take this off.
And these lifters are preloaded already.
Right. These are Johnsons. They're from Texas. We got them through Texas.
Oh, Texas Speed Performance. And yeah, these are Johnson lifters. They are the non-MDS, and the preload is again 0.035 plus 10. So yeah. Hey, Sidekick, you close over here to help out Grandpa.
Ah,
Silly butt.
what kind of tool do you need?
Okay. Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
So,
Okay, I'm checking right now the length of this. Okay.
so what is the length?
Okay, the length is 6.532.
Okay.
That's the length.
So let's get our pad here.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Good job, Christopher.
Thank you.
Teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork.
That's our.
And just put IN for the intake.
Okay.
then.
Okay, it's 6.567.
All right, so what's the number right there?
It's 6.567.
Okay. Okay.
Now we're going to do the exhaust.
Alrighty then.
Just repeat the same thing.
It goes on this side over here.
Thank you, Brady.
You're welcome.
We want that in the center of the valve stem.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Christopher, can you hand Grandpa the speed wrench? Speed wrench.
That's right here.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Christopher. Good job, bud.
You're welcome.
So, I don't know if you can see that, but you gotta make sure it goes all the way up to the top right there where there's no lashes. So he's using the wrench. Hit the grab button.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And let you know, your intake will be shorter than your exhaust. Your exhaust will be longer. Is that correct, Dad?
Yes. Your intake's always shorter. The exhaust is always longer. Okay. Here we are, we got it set. Now we're gonna measure it.
Yep, that's right, Christopher. Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, wait, Chris.
Thanks.
Let me take this off, please. hold on to that still, Chris. We're skipping ahead. We're moving ahead of ourselves.
And we'll get our push rods from Man Push Rods. This is where we got our rockers from. And talk to Trevor. He'll help you out. He knows a lot. He's the owner of the company. Trevor's a good guy. He's a good friend. So yeah, call Trevor, and I'll link his website down below for you guys and his phone number for you guys to call. And when you guys call him, let him know where you guys heard from them, heard about them. Let them know WDT High Performance was talking about them, how great they are, because they are the best company out there for push rods and rockers. So yeah, let them know you heard it from WDT High Performance, from Brandon, Demeter, and Alex Demeter, even little Christopher Demeter. So yeah.
Okay. Put this in place. It's 7.819. We are 0.35. It comes to 7.854.
Oh wow. And you also can do it with your phone. So, again, we'll call Trevor and give him this number here, and this number here too. So we give him the intake numbers and the exhaust numbers, and he knows it's 0.035. Then he'll put the numbers. It could be this number here. That's what he says, but most likely probably be that. So we'll give you an update on the push rod lengths. So after we get done calling them and ordering them. So we are slowly getting there and getting this engine done slowly. And thank you everyone for actually being patient with us and actually watching faithfully. We appreciate you all so very much. Like I said before, our YouTube channel would not be anywhere without you guys. Seriously, you guys, the viewers, what makes this YouTube channel, and we appreciate every single one of you guys. Yeah, so thank you for tuning to our YouTube channel, WDT High Performance. Check us out on Facebook. Our group is Wicked Dodge Toys. Love to have you. And please hit subscribe, please hit like, and please click on the bell icon for more notification on our YouTube channel, WDT High Performance. And you all take care, stay safe out there, and God bless. Peace.
Peace.